ChatGPT can make your data analysis with SPSS efficient. However, many people don't know how to utilize this AI tool properly. In this video, I will show you 5 applicable tips so we can make the ChatGPT as your SPSS assistant. Before using ChatGPT to enhance your SPSS performance, you need to define your variables and information into ChatGPT. That's why you need to make a codebook. A codebook is an information that you make for ChatGPT, so ChatGPT will understand what kind of your data that you will use for the further analysis. A codebook contains the variable name, the label, the values, and also the measurement level. In this example, I provide 5 variables that we will analyze, and we will enhance the SPSS performance using ChatGPT. And also you see the label here, the gender and the value is 1 for male and 2 for female. For education level, the value is 1 for elementary school, 2 middle school, 3 high school, 4 for undergraduate, and 5 for graduate. And then for the measurement level, I have scale, nominal scale, ordinal, and scale variables. We will copy this codebook into ChatGPT so ChatGPT will understand this is the variables that we will analyze. So let's copy these variables completely like this. Right click and then click copy. Open the ChatGPT in the browser and then right click and paste as plain text. Now let's utilize this ChatGPT to enhance your SPSS performance. First, let's ask ChatGPT what kind of analysis that we can use based on these variables that we copy into the chat. So the prompt is, show me what analysis I can perform based on the variables above. Just like that. Wait until ChatGPT finish the task. Okay, it's getting started. So as you can see, ChatGPT suggests us so many statistical analysis that we can use for our variables. We have descriptive statistics here and also inferential statistics from basic to advanced level that we can perform. And let's see from the top, and you can choose this analysis that is provided by ChatGPT based on your own needs. And let's prove whether this suggestion correct or not. Let's make correlation analysis for income and working hours using Pearson correlation. So open the SPSS software, get back to the data view window. Let's make it side by side window and then go to analyze, correlate, and then select by variant. We will create the correlation analysis between the income and also working hours. So select income and also working hours, select the Pearson correlation, and don't forget to uncheck the flag significant correlations because we don't need it, and click OK. And you can see we have the correlation analysis for income and working hours, and you can see that the correlation value is 0.957, which is so high. Next, you can also ask ChatGPT how to perform a specific analysis step by step. To do this, let's get back to the ChatGPT. So let's ask ChatGPT to perform the comparison mean for the test for income and working hours. So let's just copy this explanation, paste it into the chat box, and then explain how to conduct the test to compare income and working hours between males and females in SPSS. Don't forget to type the software. You can also include the number of the software, 25, like this. And then okay, don't forget to step by step. Press enter or send chat. Just wait and we will see ChatGPT provide the answer for us step by step. Great, it's a really in-depth answer. And let's see the step by step. Let's prove this ChatGPT answer. So get back to the data view window in SPSS, go to analyze, and then select compare means. After that, independent samples t-test. Okay, just follow it, and then move income to the variable box, income variable box, and also the gender into the test variables. Oh sorry, gender to grouping variable box at the bottom. And then let's define the group, 1 for group 1 and 2 for group 2. Okay, just follow it, click continue, and then click OK to run the test. Okay, great. This is a correct explanation to perform independent samples t-test, and we have the answer here in the output window. The next thing that you can do for ChatGPT is you can ask ChatGPT to explain and interpret and report this SPSS result. So to do this, it's very easy. Right click in the table and then click copy, and then after that open the ChatGPT window in the browser, and at the message ChatGPT field right click and then paste as plain text. Okay, and then we need to ask ChatGPT to explain the result of this output. So the prompt is explain the output above. You can also ask ChatGPT make the report in APA format. Make it in APA format, and also show the hidden insight. You can use this prompt. Okay, just press enter or send messages. Just wait until ChatGPT finish the task, and you can see ChatGPT explain the table one by one clearly in detail, and also make it the report in APA format. Let's see Levin's test for equality of variances. The Levin's test is significant because the result is less than 0.05, indicating that the variances in income between males and females are not equal. Therefore, we refer to the row label equal variances not assumed. So we will use the second row, equal variances not assumed, to interpret the result correct, because the variance assumptions are not met. And let's just go to the APA format reporting. And also from this interpretation, ChatGPT can discover the hidden insights. The first one is there is non-significant difference in income. We also have a wide confidence interval, and also we have the variance assumption impact. Great. Also we have the recommendations from ChatGPT. It will give us a more insight. What will we do for our further analysis or for these variables? Let's move to the next tips. You can also ask ChatGPT to handle your data issues, such as you have missing values, duplicate values, and also for not normal distribution. In this case, let's assume one of my variable is not normal, and I will ask ChatGPT the recommendation how to handle these not normal distributions. The prompt is, let's say my income variable is not normal. Show me the transformation I can use so this variable can be used in normal distribution, just like this. Okay, and then send messages. Just wait until ChatGPT finish the explanation. We can use logarithmic transformation, square root transformation, reciprocal transformation, box Cox, and others. If you don't know how to perform this transformation, you can also ask ChatGPT, show me step by step how to perform logarithmic transformation. Just copy and paste this in SPSS. Okay, send message again. Great, it's a correct answer. You can transform your data into log form using this step. Number 5, you can also ask ChatGPT to generate a specific syntax so you can run it in SPSS. I will show you in this case. So let's see, we will ask ChatGPT to create a syntax to run a regression analysis. This is it. We will create a predictive modeling for working hours prediction. The prompt is, show me the syntax, how to perform, and then you can copy the regression analysis that you want to run. In this case, let me copy this working hours prediction. Just copy all and paste as plain text in the ChatGPT chat box. And at the last, don't forget to type in SPSS, so ChatGPT will show the syntax in SPSS formats. Let's run this command. Just wait, and congratulations, you have a syntax that you can run in SPSS. And then just copy this code and move it into the SPSS syntax window. Go to File and Syntax, paste it here, and then block all the code, and then click the play button to run this code. Let's see the output window, and great, you have a regression analysis output in the output window. You can also copy this table into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create interpretation and also report it in APA format. That's 5 things you can do using ChatGPT to enhance your SPSS performance. See you in the next video.